side of the living room, down by the kitchen floor, lies a bandit boy named Billy who can open any door. He's a furry little heartthrob, a mask and wearing charm. Yeah, the ladies love sweet Billy, he don't mean no harm. He's a 20-pound lover, likes to cuddle up tight, and his second favorite pillow is his mama's late at night. And he's bad, bad Billy the Raccoon, the slickest little rascal underneath the moon. He loves orange Cheetos and a brute force fight, and busting out the babies in the middle of the night. Now Billy's been a genius since he was a little kid. At just a few months old, he cleared the gumball machine up. He don't use no keys, he don't use no tool. He just brute forces through, making locked doors look the fool. He's got a big protector, a dog who holds the line, a pit bull named Promise, been his sister since timeline. 'Cause he's bad, bad Billy the Raccoon, the slickest little rascal underneath the moon. He loves orange Cheetos and a brute force fight, and busting out the babies in the middle of the night. But Billy got a problem, a deep midnight regret. It breaks the new babies out of every cage he's met. He thinks he's a hero, setting rookies free, till they follow him around, crying, me, me, me. They steal his favorite shelf, they won't leave him alone. Now Billy's rethinking every choice he's ever known. Yeah, he's sitting on a shelfless wall, looking mighty blue, wishing he had left them cages locked up tight and true. But if a lady walks by, he forgets his mini crew. He'll crunch another Cheeto and he'll cuddle up to you.